10 Best Wonderful Home Remedies for Hiccups. 1. Cold water. You can shock your system with cold water to stop hiccups. 2. Drink upside down. Drinking a glass of cold water can shock your body and stop hiccups. 3. Hold your breath. Holding your breath is an age-old cure for hiccups. 4. Sugar. Sugar is a great home remedy for hiccups, especially for small children who cannot effectively complete the 2 remedies described above. 5. Vinegar. Vinegar is another effective remedy to stop hiccups. 6. Peanut butter. Another age-old remedy to keep hiccups at bay is peanut butter. 7. Breathe into a paper bag. Another time-tested trick that may help hiccup sufferers is breathing into a paper bag. 8. Lemon. Lemon is a sure way to stop hiccups midstream. 9. Cardamom. Cardamom is also an effective remedy for hiccups. 10. Chamomile. You can also use chamomile to stop hiccups.